What up? It's Will Vitella, home tech expert, back in Seal Beach, California, working on this beautiful home for a wonderful family, setting up a bunch of stuff for their smart home system. But what I'm really excited about is within their smart home system, I'm setting up the brand new Sonos Move 2. Now, this Sonos speaker is the second generation wireless speaker from Sonos, and they have several improvements on the outside and on an inside underneath the hood that I absolutely love. It comes in white and it comes in jet black. They made improvements where now it includes a 24-hour battery where you could just set it and put it anywhere around the house. They also included better touch controls for the volume or listening to a track. But you know me, I'm a voice control guy. And so they did a bang up job on increasing the amount of microphones to have a better microphone array to be able to listen better to your voice commands from a further distance. Check this out. Hey Sonos, play music everywhere at 60%. That's right, that's how you do it. You rock out the house. So what I'm doing is I'm playing music all over the house, not only with the wireless portable speaker, I'm also including in the party mode speakers that are built in throughout the house that are being powered by these Sonos amplifiers inside of the closet. So there are speakers that are built into the ceiling in the kitchen. I have a pair of those. And then I have another pair inside of the living room that are built into the ceiling. And then also the speakers that are built into the patio outside, as well as the primary bedroom upstairs. So when I tell Sonos to play music all over the house, it's playing Apple Music and rocking out the whole house. Sonos is also compatible with other music services like Spotify and Pandora, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, and also inside of the living room, they wanted to go with a bigger TV, going from a 65-inch to a bigger 75-inch TV, and it's much, much better for the living room. Looking back inside of the closet area, this particular room is kind of like a little mini gym. And so I have a TV in here. I have TVs throughout the house in the various different rooms, but I want the experience to be the best experience. So I set them up with an Apple TV 4K for that, so they could stream their TV, their Spectrum TV, their Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu. And it doesn't matter that they have different types of TVs around the house. Everything is operating the exact same way, same power, same volume, same way to change channels and watch Netflix. If you want to get something done like this professionally, I want you to go to hometechexpert.com and click on schedule a free estimate. Thanks for watching.